Fuego! Welcome back to Pokemon Legends Arceus! Tonight we're gonna draw Hisuian Electrode! That's right, folks. You guessed it, Electrode has an evolved form!
And I just found out that Hisuian Electrode is a grass type. Yeah, that.
It's very exciting! Now let's draw this guy out and beyond.
Here's a round spot. Now we draw Hisuian Electrode's teeth. You remember when I drew the last one? It's like it's made out of terracotta. You know, that type of wood that people use to carve things up into, you know, like those wooden crocodiles. I think I have one of those here somewhere. I just can't remember where I put it. Anyway, here is the... Here's the wooden marks here. Here's his nose. And there. That's how you draw Hisuian Electrode. And it only took me one sheet of paper to get it done. Didn't take me too long. 2 minutes to spare. If you want to find out more on how to draw Hisuian Pokemon, be sure to go to the Pokemon playlist on my site, and you'll be able to draw almost all of them. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always taking requests, and I won't stop until I draw
Every one of these Pokemon in the Pokédex!